blew me away when I saw him. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor. Questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. Yeah, I have no clue what most of it says. But I do know that this date right here helps us date this item. So, it was made before 2005. Made before the last quarter of 2005. Unless their candy doesn't last very long. So, it does have on here PEZ Funky Fizzy. Looney Tunes back in action! And here we have a Taz and a Daffy Duck. A PEZ Lolly and Sour Fizzy Powder. Here's your directions on how you eat it. It changes your tongue, apparently. Comes with 5 stickers to collect inside. Okay, you say so. There's a little bit of fizzy powder left. More like fizzy clump. Yeah. Fizzy clump. Yeah, a friend of mine was in a foreign country and saw these. And decided to pick them up for me. Very cool. I appreciate that very much so. I wonder what other characters there are. There has to be more. Maybe Bugs? Tweety? Yeah. So until next time...